Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build e-commerce websites in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you have WooCommerce that is in your hosting platform. So in my case, I'm using WordPress. And if you are using WordPress too, you will need just to make sure that you are in the admin panel and make sure that you have already WooCommerce plugin installed. So if you do not have it, you can just simply go to the plugins and after that, click on add new plugin and then you can search for the WooCommerce plugin and then you will be able to have WooCommerce hosted in WordPress. So as you can see, we can just wait for the search result and basically you will just find the WooCommerce plugin that will be shown in this result and that's it. So after that you have in WooCommerce, you will be needing to have a website or a store site. And the easiest way to do so is just to go into the appearance and go to the themes and you will find many themes concerning only the websites for WooCommerce. So simply I'm just going to type WooCommerce in my theme. Basically we will need to go to the marketplace and just type WooCommerce and you will find like many results just for WooCommerce. So basically you can find this e-commerce website. You can click to view the details. You can see how are the things and then you will need just to click on install and basically you will be having the store that you have created or installed that will be in your store. In my case, I had just this one as a tutorial or just a test, and basically it will just create everything for you easily. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.